take a shower.
Bright sunny skies. It's so humid and hot.
In Defender, and we are riding right now into the rain. Let's take a look at that.
We start our adventure today. Where are we, Bill?
We are in Homer, Alaska, and we are going to Pearl Island today. We tried to go yesterday. Weather didn't permit it. Winds were too high, waves too high. As I said before, safety is always important. So today we are going to make it. We've made all of our arrangements. We're waiting here at, what you can see right here, it's the commercial barge ramp. And we're gonna meet our boat, unload, and head for Pearl.
You know, the weather is really cooperating today. We thought that we were going to have a temperature a little closer to the mid 30-degree range, but now we're in the low 40s, not bad. You do see cloudy skies today, so the weather forecast doesn't look ideal, but the winds have died down, and that's what our captain is looking for. So we are here, like Bill mentioned, at the commercial barge ramp, and our boat will come right up here and we'll get a chance to load up. Look at this weather, Bill. I mean, the water looks a little bit calm, right? At least right here in the harbor.
It is in the harbor. It's always going to be obviously calm right here, but even outside of the harbor, it's calm. So that's what we're looking for, kind of smooth as glass. Our challenge is always when we get around the point like Port Graham, out there is where things start coagulating and it can get a little challenging. Permission aboard, sir. Good, how you doing? You doing all right?
Well, it's time to board the Castle Cape. We're looking forward to being out on the water again with Coldwater AK, our friends, taking us out to Pearl Island. And the guys are going to unload the truck and we're going to get our boat ready to go. Launching again here just in a few minutes. And some of the supplies we've taken with us on our inaugural visit here at Pearl Island. Well, we've already been there once. This one, we're bringing in a couple of new people to the island and we can't wait. We have a couple of waterproof bags with some of our clothes in it. We don't want to get wet on the way there, just in case. We are bringing a generator and some basic camp chairs. Just remote camping, just want to make sure you're prepared for just about anything. We have our own power supplies and camping equipment that you want to make sure that we're going to leave some of this stuff on the island just so that we can have it for the next time we visit. Permission to board? How's it going?
Good. A lot of potholes in the road going out.
coming into view there.
All right, Captain, how was our trip out?
Oh, it was good. It was real good. Just the only last bit of weather was just right here next to the island out in the Gulf. But now we're good. We're just bouncing on the beach here in the swell, getting everybody unloaded, and safe trip. I like it.
What do you know about Pearl Island?
All right out here on the edge, and the last spots around the corner here where you can get a cabin. Beautiful spot.
Good?
Yeah, we're good, Bill. Thank you, man.
Okay, thank you. See you. See me at about Monday at 6.
6%.